Hi and welcome to the world of Diwa. Today we will discuss the question why the Diwa actually flashes when you change the content. So the Diwa uses the EPaper. It means it only consumes the power when the content is changed, when the Diwa flashes. As soon as you assign the content and it's already showing on the Diwa, it doesn't consume any power. This is completely different from the normal displays when they need to be charged and consume power every time the content is shown. For this to work, however, we first need to delete the old display, so the so-called ghosting will not occur. That means that the old content will not shimmer through. And to avoid this ghosting completely, the image needs to be inverted several times, so the black becomes white and vice versa. So that way the display lasts longer and those ghost images are not visible. This change can take several seconds, and this also has some advantages. So for example, you're in a restaurant with your friends, you have a deep conversation, and then there is a Diwa on the table and you see it flashes. Of course, it attracts your attention. And the content changes from cheesecakes to cocktails. And maybe then you notice it, and maybe you're in the mood to have some cold drinks. Especially if you don't have many changes throughout the day on your Diwa, this is something that you can take advantage of. That's it for this video. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.